She probably said, why does bitch just put on sunglasses? Because I don't want you to recognize my face. She said, girl, we don't already see you on the camera. Well, maybe you don't have a photogenic memory like like I did. Because I don't remember nobody's face after. If you put glasses on in front of me, baby, I don't remember who you are. It's a whole new face with glasses. Oh, are you going? Go ahead. You're not even paying attention. This hoe. This hoe ass bitch. Not even paying attention. You dusty hoe. Thank you for paying attention. Alright, let me get on over to my little she looking down, or he. It might have been a he, but he acted like a she little bitch. Why would you be in my way like that? And then why would you not even, you're supposed to go. You don't have a stop sign. I got a stop sign. So like, why were you, you know what? You know what? I'm trying to be the person. There. Already live. Thank you. Welcome, Team Happy members. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How you guys doing today? It is a stormy day, and I'm headed right towards it. Isaac family, blessings, blessings. How you doing? Stormy day today. I hope I get past it. I'm heading towards where it's towards the center. It's supposed to pass towards the center, so I got about. Shouldn't be on land until this afternoon. But gotta haul my butt past that area. You know I'm gonna run into a lot of rain. Being a truck driver, that's things like that we have to put up with. How you guys doing this morning? Team Happy members, I know it's night for you guys. How was your day? Don't forget to double tap the screen. So you guys are on a drive time, drive along through the rough weather with me. I'll be on I-10 pretty short. I'd say in about 10 minutes. Everybody's driving away from the storm. I'm going towards the storm. Crazy. All Team Happy members, welcome, welcome, welcome. Forget to double tap the screen. Give me a thumbs up, guys, please. Thank you.
back roads. Heading from Valdosta, Georgia to Louisiana. An 8-hour drive. Hopefully, be there later on today. Depends on the weather. Welcome to happy members. What's up, Wilma? How you doing, Wilma? Welcome. Woo. It's going to be a nasty day, but God is with me. I'd get slow since from last night. If I did, I would have passed that danger area that I'm going to go through. But it is what it is, man. Well, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. All team happy members. We love you guys. Forget to double tap the screen, please, for that thumbs up. Up here I have to go through this little tiny little town to get to the highway. Big truck, those little towns are more dangerous towns to go through. Sometimes the streets is too small. We gotta do what we gotta do. Appreciate you guys coming over till the drive time. Alright, in about a mile and a half, I've got to go through this little town. Show you guys what a small town is about. And how small the roads are. Alright. Really appreciate you guys coming over. Thank you again. Craig, what's going on, my brother? Got me going through the storm. I'm heading towards the storm there, Craig. Gotta go through it to get to Louisiana. Storm about down here. 35 miles per hour. I'm heading to Louisiana from Valdosta. Gotta take I-10. So, you know I'm gonna go straight through where that storm, the eye of the storm, is supposed to hit. hope I get past it. I don't care about the back end after I pass it. This little town right here. Jump on I-10. About 6 miles down the road. Little redneck towns. It is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do. If you don't forget to double tap on your screen, give me that thumbs up. I don't know more lights. Get out this 35 miles per hour zone first. Come on, light. Come on, light. Come on, light. Waited out because I don't know if they open or not, the wait stations. I'll make sure I'm legal. I have until the morning to get there. It's an 8-hour drive. I should get tonight. Well, later on, depends on the weather again. Yeah, I should be in already. 5 back roads from Georgia to into Florida. Jump on I-10. Highway 53. Believe it or not, this highway here, Highway 53, takes you all the way to Florida, Georgia, Tennessee. Highway 53, Highway 129. All these go backwards, run them instead of the highway. Run back in the days, you know what I mean, right? They used to roll back in the days, do their thing, and stay off the highway. The closer I get, the more the rain is coming down. 1 mile away from I-10. Strapping down here, things they have in their yard. Right now. Hey, welcome. Don't forget to double tap on the screen for that thumbs up, please. Thanks for stopping by. Good morning. Saniki, yeah, thank you for coming by. I haven't seen you post in a while. What's going on? I gotta go back to your channel and redo the notifications for that. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I haven't been getting notifications from a lot of people. Alright guys. Heading towards Tallahassee. That's where the storm. Yeah, that's where the storm. The eye of the storm is supposed to be coming through. The closer I get so far, the more rain. Hurricane warning in effect. East Coast. Sure. Woo. Look at this. I'm the only one heading that way. I'm the only one on this side. Everybody's getting out. I'm going in. Oh, you haven't posted in a while? Okay. I was worrying about my notification. Look at it, folks. One car just passed me. Look on the other side. All those vehicles, they're heading out. I'm heading in. Here's what it is. Yeah, YouTube, you know what YouTube is doing? And I I noticed that, you see the people who have, I would say, 100,000 or more, YouTube is catering for them. YouTube, and because YouTube is making money off of them. Commercials, the more subs you have, the more money YouTube makes off of you. Smaller people, they're making it harder and harder for YouTube. For them to keep up with YouTube. YouTube is discouraging 100% right. That's why a lot of people jump into TikTok. A lot. But it is what it is. It's their platform. I can't tell them what to do. And also Snapchat. A lot of people jump into that too. Come on, baby. God, take this steering wheel. Guide us, Lord, guide us. Like I said, where I'm going, 10 west, so far I'm the only one on the highway. Everybody's getting out of Dodge, and I'm going into Dodge. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just read up on it, and all you have to do is just you can make 30-minute, 1-minute videos, just post them. And I think you have to post like 5 a day or something like that. You gotta check up on it. Princess AG one told me about it. And everybody's on it. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to chat. Okay, that's another car that just passed me. So far since I've been on the highway heading towards Tallahassee, where the eye of the storm is supposed to be, so far only 2 cars passed me. Tallahassee is not too far. I get and have you rain. You know, yeah, and it keeps raining, and I get past it. As long as I get the 30 to 40 miles past it up there. Got the truck on the side of the road over here. Flash is on. I move over. Don't know what's going on with him. Did, we pulled over, broke down, bad time to be on the side of the road. As far as I can see, I don't see no vehicles ahead of me. And I'm looking back, I don't see no vehicles behind me. Oh, shoot. Tallahassee, 1 hour away. 1 hour. So I'm gonna hammer it down. One hour away. I get through Tallahassee and get at least 100 miles away from there, I should be alright. Truck ahead of me. I'm going up here. I'm going to both the wait station. I hope they're not open. It makes no sense to be open. Bus loads. All them buses. Bus load of people heading out. Ooh. 6 or 7 buses heading east. They head into higher grounds. Oh, you only post on Facebook? I gotta check you out on Facebook as soon as I finish this live. You're always a good supporter, and I really appreciate you. I'll definitely go on Facebook. Check you out. Are you monetized on Facebook? You should definitely stick to this. Keep putting up 1 or 2 posts on YouTube. Keep your account alive. did on the Alabama side. I've got over there, over on the Alabama side, should be right. Perry, Georgia's coming out. Perry, Georgia, Tallahassee, around those areas, the higher the storm's supposed to hit. Black Money, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it, bro. It's hard out here, man. Things you gotta do is earn that money, bro. Survival of the fittest. Everybody's heading. Look at it. Over there on the other side. Everybody's heading. Everybody's getting out of Dodge. I gotta get through Dodge. God is on my side. Like I said, if I get 100 miles away from Tallahassee, I should be good. Thank you for sticking around, Wilma. Team happy in the building. Hey, Jalissa, how you guys doing? Blessings. I'll let you guys know that everybody is heading away from the storm and I'm heading towards it. There goes the sign. Tallahassee, 39 miles away from here. The high of the storm is supposed to be hitting Tallahassee. Thank you. We will. Guys, don't forget to double tap on the screen and give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. We'll be safe. If it gets bad, we know definitely we'll pull over. But I don't think it's still in the ocean as far as I know. It's supposed to hit land about 3 o'clock hours, hopefully. So, like I said, Tallahassee right now is about 38 miles away. As long as I get through there, I want to be at least 100 miles away from there. I know where I'll get some great. Here's what it is. I ain't no truck. We just coming in. I see a truck way back there, about a mile back. And there's one in front of me. All these people on the other side is leaving. They're heading east, away from it, and I'm heading west towards it. Oh boy. And I'm looking at the trees out there. I don't see none of them moving, so there's no wind yet. I don't feel nothing hitting the trailer, the tractor, the trailer. So far, everything is good. Finally caught up the truck. go slow than my trucks. Pass them, speed pressure down, hammer down, hammer down. No stopping me right now. Just want to get out of the danger zone. Steady out there with the wind still. Scorch. Smooth up track. It's that rainy season over there. I was watching Rambo, Green Man. He do a lot of farming over there. Yeah, he says a lot of rain. It's like you guys, rainy season. And you know what surprised me? He has a garden. He does his gardening and stuff. He has to put like a fence around and all that because he got fox eating his stuff. I said, oh my God. We have fox over here, but you don't see them. You probably, the only time I personally see fox, well, I'm driving at night and I'll see this little thing on the side of the road. That's the only time I'll see a fox. But for a fox to come in my yard, oh no, I was, oh no. I haven't seen that in my area. Really looks like this storm is still out in the ocean. up last night during the storm. Well, the further I go, the better chance I have. This area, the Florida area, they lose power, so not a fuel station, gas station is going to be down. So make sure I'm filled up. Got some water. We have a kettle. Plug in, warm up. We got some soups and stuff over here. What else? Salad. Got juice. Just in case. What she said, what's going on? How you doing? Thank you. As you can see, we're headed towards Tallahassee, Florida. Well, we're going through Tallahassee. And the eye of the storm is supposed to be hitting right there in Tallahassee. But we're going through it before it hits. There it is, Tallahassee, 22 miles away. We will. Don't forget to double tap the screen. How you doing? It's pretty early in Cali. I really appreciate you coming. Yeah, she is. Back there. She's going to be driving in the next 3 hours. What you doing up so early? I'll say it's early in Cali. I would start talking to you in Pancho. Wagwan! Oh, you getting ready for work? Oh, let me say, right. Oh, you are getting ready for God work. Well, I really appreciate you. Coming over. See all these trees on the side? What is going to happen? It always happen. I don't know why they don't cut them. That storm come through, they're going to hold me on the highway. I never did it. Why don't you core it damages something or something? They always wait to the last till it falls on the highway, something before they decide to cut it. What's this stuff? It's like military vehicle. That sure is. Hold it, buddy. I'm coming over. I got some soldiers in the road. Getting wet. Probably that's the National Guard. I think that's the National Guard. They always have them out in a situation like this, with flooding and stuff to help. I think that's the National Guard. Rambo, I was just talking about you. Bro, you're gonna live long. I was just talking about you and your garden. Because there's two sisters that's on here, Jolisa, and they live over there in England. I was telling them about you, your garden, and the fox problem you had. God's gonna bless you. You're gonna live long, brother. I really appreciate you coming by. Hey, don't forget to double tap on your screen. Give me that thumbs up. You know the old folks, what they always say, Rambo? They say if you talk about somebody and they'll either pop up or show up, or that means they're gonna live long. God's gonna bless you, bro. You're gonna live long. I was telling everybody that where I'm at right now, I have to go. If the storm was coming, I'm about 10 miles away from where the eye of the storm's supposed to be. Hey, what she say? If you don't have Rambo Green Hand, he's a very good supporter. Go get him. He'll get you too. Don't worry. Yeah, I was supposed to go through the town, Tallahassee, where the eye of the storm was supposed to be hit. So, if I was telling them too, if you look on the other side of the road, to the left, everybody's heading east, and there's only a few of us heading west. But away from Tallahassee. There's the sign right there, Tallahassee, 14 miles away. Look at the busload of people leaving. Look at busloads, all them buses over there. It's like the fifth convoy of buses I see heading east, away from where the storm, the storm's gonna hit. But we're rude boy. Only person I fear is God. Hey Rambo, she does a lot of live, and they be interesting, man. They be really interesting, trust me. Self-care, how you doing? God bless you. Thank you for coming over. Don't forget to double tap on the screen. Give me that thumbs up. Self-care is another person that, I don't know, Rambo, you should have her, because she's been around for a while. Self-care has been supporting a lot of people. She's been around for a while. What's she say? You could grab her too. She'll definitely show the love back. She does exercising and she does a lot of spiritual stuff. She does a lot of live. She's very interesting to watch. Boy, these police are out here. Look to the left and sit in the middle. What I think they should do is on the highway messing with vehicles. I'm sorry, Swift, but I can't sit behind you and wait, brother. I gotta go. Trying to get to Tallahassee before this thing comes. I was watching the news, the weather report. I watched different ones, and all of them saying it's gonna hit land. The different times it's gonna hit land. So right now, to be honest with you, I don't know exactly when it's gonna hit land. But I want to just get past it, get 100 miles away before it hits it. You know, so that's my words right now. Should be coming up on the town of Tallahassee. That's the capital of Florida. Should be coming up on it. You want to get past it, get through it, get away from it. I should be safe over there in Louisiana. I gotta go through Alabama, Mississippi, into Alabama, into Louisiana. So I should be pretty good. Well, I'm trying, my brother. I'm trying, you know. Like I said, God is guiding this truck right now. He has control. He said turn left, that's what I gotta do. He said turn right, so I should go straight, that's what I gotta do. Alright, I'm into Tallahassee right now. Beginning. Looking outside, I don't see no wind hit the trees or nothing. So far, I'm safe. I just see a little, because I just see some little leaves flying around, that's it. It hasn't hit land yet. Over here is my major concern. This part of town. So far, so good. But I'm in Tallahassee. bit. Alright guys, I'm at my hour mark. I really appreciate you guys coming. If there's anything happening, I'll definitely give you guys an update. But my thing right now is to keep heading west. Away from me. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you again. Yourself there. God bless you. And I appreciate you coming. Anything developed, I'll just come back on and let you guys know. Thank you again.